All right, let's talk about how you can find missing values within your data in Excel. So here we have a very simple example. In column B, we have list A. In column D, we have list B. And we'll notice that list A has a list of names and list B has a list of names. Now in this column here, or in this area, we want to display all the missing names from list A compared to list B. Because we'll notice that list A obviously has more names listed than list B. There's 3 empty spaces. So we want to know which names are missing. Now obviously this is a very simple example and I could just go one by one and figure out which names are on the list and which aren't. But this formula that I'm going to show you is super useful when you're working with large data sets and it's not that easy to just go one by one through all of these names. So the formula is going to look like this. We'll type equals and we're going to use the filter function here, and our array is going to be our first list or our complete list, the list that is more full or more complete that we're comparing against the new or smaller list. Then we'll hit comma, not, and then we'll do a COUNTIF here, and we will select then the range for the second list or list B, comma, our criteria is going to be all the values in our complete list or list A here. And then we'll end parenthesis, end parenthesis, end parenthesis. So basically what this function is going to do,
If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're really feeling up for it.
is it's going to filter out whichever names are missing on this list to that list. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll notice that Sarah, Harry, and Jerry are the ones that were left out on this list. Now if I were to remove Phil here, we'll notice that Phil gets added. If I were to add Jerry here, that will automatically remove Jerry. So this function is automatically gonna update based on any new data that's added to these lists. But there you have it. That's how you can find missing values pretty quick and easy using a formula in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.